So I actually had veneers previous, and they were just a little bit too big for me. So I wanted to get them smaller, a little bit more natural.
Bumblebee, checking out honey. Bumblebee, checking out honey.
And the doctor did a great job going through the entire process with me and making sure they were the size that I wanted, that was a little bit more natural. And so great experience, great process, and I'm very happy with the way the teeth came out.
Bumblebee, checking out honey. Bumblebee, checking out honey. Bumblebee.
Hey, my name's Jeremy Flores. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, and I came out here and I was here for about 3 days, and they did an amazing job on my teeth. As far as color, as far as shape, I was very concerned about exactly how it was going to turn out, and the doctors worked with me every step of the way, and it was absolutely a great experience for me. So I would definitely recommend it, and I would come back and do it again.
Bumblebee, checking out honey.